Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to send multiple photos on Instagram with the latest updates. Follow these steps to easily share multiple photos through Instagram direct messages. Step 1. Open Instagram on your Android device and navigate to the chat where you wish to send the photos. Locate the specific chat conversation you want to send the photos to. Step 2. Within the chat window, look for the gallery icon positioned next to the message input field. Tap on this icon to access your device's photo gallery. Step 3. Browse through your photo gallery and select the photos that you want to send. You can choose multiple photos by tapping on each one individually. Step 4. Once you have selected all the photos you want to send, proceed by tapping the Send button located at the bottom of the screen. This action will attach the selected photos to your message. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly send multiple photos via Instagram direct messages to your friends, family, or contacts. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sending multiple photos on Instagram. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in showcasing how to share photos seamlessly through Instagram direct messages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content.